Hello everyone, on the previous video we've seen how we can create multiple visualizations. So for this video, let's see how we can set up an object such as a button to navigate between these two screens. Okay, so here on my first visualization where I have my digital objects, I'm gonna place a button here from the Common Controls tab. Okay, let's name this button with the title of our visualization 1 that we want to navigate to. Okay, so I'm selecting the button, and on the text, let's write analog objects. To select this button and create an action to make him navigate to the next screen, I'm selecting the button, and on the input configuration, I'm going to expand this, and I'm selecting the event on mouse click and clicking on configure. It will open this wizard, and I'm gonna select the action called change shown visualization. I'm selecting this action and clicking on the right arrow, and to select the visualization which will be change, I'm selecting this assign and clicking on this button and selecting the visualization 1. Okay, press OK. So when I click on this object, it will change the shown visualization from visualization to my visualization 1. So now I'm just going to copy this button and paste the button inside of this analog screen. Okay, I'm placing here. And I'm changing the name to digital objects. I just have to select this button and change the input configuration, so it will not change for the visualization 1 anymore. I'm just gonna double click on the visualization, and you can change the screen to the screen called visualization. So it will change the screen to visualization, and this button will change the screen to visualization_1. Okay, now let's download this project to our PLC. It loaded our web server inside of the browser, and it opened the first screen, the visualization screen. So if I click here on the analog objects, it will change my shown visualization to the visualization_1. And if I click on the digital objects, it will go back to my first visualization.